How to create poll on Facebook Messenger. So all you have to do is go here directly to your Messenger application and make sure to update your application to your App Store. And then after that is you're gonna go to the group chat that you wish to create a poll. So for example, this group chat. So what you're gonna do to initiate a poll is on the bottom part you'll see this plus sign here. Click on plus sign and tap on the poll option. And here you can now create a question. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a question there. You can even add an emoji. So let's just add here, and then you can create options or choices for them to choose from the poll. So you can tap on count me in, pass here, and you can even add more option here. Just click on add option, and basically if you're set, click on create poll, and as you can see it will now look like this. So for example, someone will vote. All they have to do is to click on vote here and choose the options that you have provided, and they can even add more options to it. And basically that's how you create poll on Facebook Messenger. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.